Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on USDCHF. And as always, without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we are on calendar, as you can see on the left chart, currently it's obvious that the buyer side is much stronger than the seller side. But with all the negative grades that this currency has taken for the next week and for this week as well, I am kind of predicting that we are going to experience a really sharp move to the upside because price has reached a really important support. And if we go to the high impacts, as you all can see, on Thursday and Friday we have some news that are going to affect this currency in a bullish way. So these 2 days are actually going to support our trade. But as always, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our chart, as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. This purple zone is going to be our trading area. Why? Because recently the price has taken 2 equal lows. And what I believe is that there must have been a lot of liquidity below these lows, so these liquidities are now gathered and the price is ready to move to the upside in a really sharp way, hopefully. And this green area is going to act like a really strong support zone because it has been an imbalance that was taken so soon. And as you all know, the imbalances that are taken so soon, right after they are formed, they actually turn into really strong support zones and they won't let the price to pass them. And what I actually think is that the price will shortly start to move to the upside to this resistance that we have up above here. Why I have actually drawn this red level, because from here to here we have an imbalance that is not filled. And we actually have 2 equal highs that hold a lot of liquidity. So what I predict from this is that it will currently move to the upside, gather this liquidity, and then start to fall to the downside. Or maybe even fill up this imbalance and then start to move to the upside. Okay, that's it. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for today's signal, and I just wanted to say something as always. There are no secrets to success in trading. It's the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Have a good time and peace.